Whoa.
Turn it over. See if you can just pull the tape off.
Okay.
There's one other tape. There. There's more than one thing in that box. Is that cute? Look at the sleeves. Do you like them? Those are pants.
You like my haircut?
Mm-hmm. They're
They're
soft.
soft. Super soft. Super extra turbo soft. You feel how
They have
soft
cats on them.
you miss.
That's a little kit. It has everything you need to make a honeybee in it. But your mom can help you with it if you need help. It's a punch needle kit. Cats.
I can make a rocket ship.
It's like paint markers. I thought you might need some more brushes. Do you? That's what I thought.
Maddie.
Your mom, she won't be happy when she sees that, will she? Slime kit.
Fell. It's heavy.
I don't know, it's because it's rock painting. It has rocks in it.
Hey, there's glitter.
7 rocks.
Yeah.
Open them. Move that box.
Okay, no.
Size 4. Hopefully you'll be able to wear them pretty soon, if not now. Maybe with socks. Or just put that back in case you have to take them back.